Welcome. Today we are looking at Amos' teaching on hypocritical religion. Hypocrisy is pretending to be who you are not. Amos realized that Israelites were pretending in the worship of Yahweh. They were not sincere in their worship. Acts of hypocritical religion in Israel: insincere worship, empty sacrifices, religious syncretism, idolatry, practiced temple prostitution, forced Nazareth to drink wine, and rejection of God's prophets. We start with insincere worship. Amos observed that the Israelites were engaged in a lot of religious rites, yet they were unjust and oppressed the poor. Empty sacrifices. Amos condemned Israelites for making elaborate sacrifices and offering just to show off and not for the love of Yahweh. Religious syncretism. Syncretism is the worship of Yahweh alongside other gods. Amos condemned Israelites for combining worship of Yahweh with other gods. Idolatry. Israelites worshipped Assyrian gods like Sakuth and Kaiwan. Practiced temple prostitution. They placed prostitutes in the temple to propagate fertility. Forced Nazarites to drink wine. Nazarites were forced by the people to take wine. Rejection of God's prophets. They rejected God's prophets like Amos instead of listening to them. They also stopped them from prophesying. Summary of Amos' teachings on hypocritical religion. Israelites gave empty sacrifices that didn't reflect their inner piety. They practiced syncretism and hypocrisy. They practiced hypocrisy. They practiced syncretism and apostasy. They practiced hypocrisy. That is, they practiced insincere worship. They worshipped idols. They built high places of worship for the false gods. They refused to listen to the prophets of Yahweh. They misused the shrines at Bethel by drinking and feasting there. They misused the Sabbath by doing business. They practiced temple prostitution. They made graven images for the false gods. They mistreated fellow Israelites. Reasons why Israel worship was hypocritical. They gave empty sacrifices in order to show off, practiced religious syncretism, practiced insincere worship. They worshipped idols. They built altars for the worship of idols. They misused the temple by feasting and drinking in it. They refused to listen to true prophets of God. They prevented the prophets of Yahweh from prophesying. They forced Nazarites to drink wine. They practiced temple prostitution. Relevance of Amos' teachings on hypocritical religion. True worship is achieved when justice and righteousness is upheld. Worship should be done in humility, as God is the creator of heaven and earth, and God is able to search our hearts. Christian ways of worship should be directly related to our way of life. Any external form of worship as a Christian engages in should reflect inner faith. Any Christian worship should be based on truth and honesty. God is jealous and does not share his glory with other gods. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.